What is up, guys? Sumi here with Team Basani, back with another stock market update. Today's April 16th, 2026. And yeah, as you can see, the market is looking good. Like another big, this is a weekly, but let's look at the 30-minute. Like it looks like we're pumping up even more. Now, technically, this is not a win streak day. I think it's technically a red day by a hair. But we're still like doing really good. We're above 700 here on SPY. And compared to where we came from, oh my God, this has been an insane rally. This right here, I'm nerdy. This is insane. This 10, 11 day rally just straight to the top. So absolutely insane. QQQ touching 642 today as well. Absolutely insane. Just massive rally from 555 to 642 on these big indexes. So things are insane. So Iran ceasefire, let's talk about it. So Pakistan is pushing for an extension. Pakistan's army chief met up with the Iranian officials in Tehran today to try to extend the ceasefire. The 2-week ceasefire from April 7th expires Tuesday, April 22nd, 6 days from now. Gulf Arab and European leaders are signaling kind of like that the conflict would linger. It seems like the peace may not 100% hold up. And a big thing of like what's going to be happening in the markets is based on this. Brent and crude are creeping back up. You know, things are starting to kind of chill out a bit. The rally is starting to end. And look, I want to say something here. Like, I think last year when we had our whole rally, when SPY went down, right, in April, right around here, we had a sharp move up. Just very similar to this move. And so I don't think it's unnatural for us to have massive tectonic moves like this, but there is also going to be a lot of consolidation. And I don't want to say there's going to be an instant correction because we are holding up here very, very nicely on, you know, SPY and QQQ, but I think that we will start to see some consolidation. And, you know, this UK, France, Paris summit on the Strait is planned for tomorrow. So let's see what happens. So it's Iran's 5-year nuclear moratorium versus the US's 20. And Pakistan is trying to kind of keep everybody happy and fill the gap. So I think we will probably get something good. I honestly am optimistic myself personally. The ceasefire clock is ticking. We have 6 days. If Pakistan can extend it, the rally is going to continue. It's going to continue. If it expires without extension, we're going to be back to the volatility that we saw 2 weeks ago. So this weekend really, really matters. And yeah, it's going to be a big thing. China is pushing to kind of stabilize things. China is doing okay right now. I think that it's important to make sure that China is doing good because China is a big market player in the global economy. So while the U.S. focuses on Iran, China is quietly benefiting from the chaos because they're buying cheap Iranian oil. They're growing their economy. They are supporting the U.S. in certain things, but it looks like China is working with the U.S., but China is holding very strong. So SPY and QQQ, SPY pushed up. We had a little bit of a dip down in the morning. We dipped down to 690. We thought there was going to be correction. I actually had puts here for a second. Look at this massive red candle. Look at this massive, heavy red candle down. Instantly, as the day opened up, boom, we went red. But then we picked up, then we based, and we based at 698.53, which is not necessarily a specific zone. It was one of the highs that we touched to earlier before the war push up. This was actually the high of before. And then we pushed up and look, it looks like we're holding the 700 now. We don't want to move under 700. 700 is going to be a big psychological range. So things are probably going to change for the market in terms of trading SPY altogether because it's going to be a big thing. Now VIX is holding very well. VIX is fading. VIX is at 17, 18. So VIX is actually chilling out. QQQ pushed up. So, you know, things are actually pretty bullish. Like things I think are going to continue to consolidate here or stay there. Now, let's talk about the Mag 7. Microsoft, absolute powerhouse. Another green day for Microsoft. Tesla had a big rally yesterday. We had a huge rally to 394-ish area. And actually, no, wait. 398 here in the after hours. But we kind of chilled out on Tesla. We didn't do much today. We consolidated. Apple, kind of same thing. We dropped off, consolidated. Amazon, a little bit, you know, all over the place. But Microsoft did really good. NVIDIA did push up a bit. But my favorite for the day was not Meta. We chilled out here too. But my favorite for the day was AMD. That's why I got it right here. AMD with a massive bull rally. Massive bull rally. We grabbed AMD calls, rode these up to 279. I actually got out right at 279. and then it dipped off, came back up, and I think AMD can consolidate here. We'll see if it has any more juice in it. But to be honest, AMD was insane. Netflix absolutely got crushed after earnings. Got crushed. Look at this massive candle right here. Absolutely nuts. Got crushed after earnings. Not surprising. Earnings is not really that great for a lot of companies. So, typical stuff. So Netflix Q1 earnings, Goldman upgraded the buy, which is funny. I think that calls on Netflix would be good. I'm looking at Netflix tomorrow because even though they got crushed, I think that Netflix is still a steady Eddie. I don't think it's as volatile. I think it's still going to be good if they can stabilize. Palantir, I'm still bullish on Palantir. Talked about Palantir. I think this can start to push up. It's coiling quite a bit. Look at the Bollinger Bands on Palantir. Think this could really start to push up. We had a little bit of volatility today, but it held up. So I'm looking bullish for Palantir. I think Tesla earnings after close are going to be a big thing. I think Tesla is going to really be a big thing to look at. I think Tesla has more room to push up. Netflix got crushed. And more than anything else, we've got to look at what happens tomorrow with that UK, France, Paris summit. The ceasefire countdown is in 6 days. Oil is still something. We're sitting at all-time highs. We're in a really good position, and I think that there's not going to be too much more to the upside, so we got to be careful with the calls. We could probably make more off puts in the short term. This is going to be a very choppy market. You're not going to get big 300, 500% gains on the indexes, but I think that, things can be really good if we get a lot of peace. So I'll be watching the reports live. I'll be breaking everything down. I'll be giving out my trades in the Discord. If you guys have not joined my Discord, definitely click the link down below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I love to see new people check out information from us. Please let me know if you have any recommendations for this channel. I like to bring value. And I'm going to have a full breakdown tomorrow after, the trading day. So let's see what happens. Let's see what Elon's got as well. And I'm going to see how Tesla performs tomorrow. So Tesla looking good. I would definitely say Palantir. I think AMD could be volatile tomorrow. We might even be able to get into puts. MU, I think, has another leg up as well. Didn't talk about that too much. But let's see what happens. Follow me live in the Discord. Until next time, guys, peace out.